Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a TJMaxx and Sephora makeup haul that I did. I'm just really excited to share these awesome products that I got at a really affordable price and good deals and just talk to you all a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Okay, I think I'm going to go ahead and just start with TJMaxx since it's right here. Let's dive in here. So my very favorite piece out of everything I got tonight at TJMaxx, and I was like super surprised, it was the Beverly Hills Lip Palette Volume 1. And that was at TJMaxx. So at TJMaxx I paid $24.99 for this palette, and it says that its regular price is $42. And I'm looking at Sephora, I've got it pulled up on Sephora, and it's actually $48 from Sephora. So I mean, I'm thinking that's a pretty darn big steal. I mean, that's half off. That is half off the price from Sephora. So I was super excited about this. I've been wanting it for like ever. I just was not gonna spend almost $50 on lipstick. So I held out, but I'm really glad that I did because this was an amazing deal. So love that one. That was probably my favorite, well, one of my favorites from TJMaxx tonight. The next three things I've got are actually from Associa as well, and it is 3 liquid lips, and I got each of these for $6.99 compared to like $20 on Sephora. And this says it's compared at $12, but Sephora got their liquid lips for $20 for Associa. And I've got some really cool colors. They're different. So I got the color Karina, Milkshake, and Craft. So I'll show you those. The next thing I got, this was just something I've been wanting for like ever. It's just the Dual Lube Facial Extractor, and this was like $2.99. And I got some Amica products, so more of like what you would see in Sephora. Got more of these, and this was a really good price. The price I paid at TJMaxx was $19.99. It says compared at $30. Anyway, I thought this was a really good deal for $19.99. And I love Amica products, so when I saw it, I like snatched it up in a hurry. And the last thing I got from TJMaxx, which I was the most excited about and just like floored that they had it, Kat Von D Saint perfume. I'm like super surprised because this is pretty new. I mean, it's only been out a couple of months. I love both of the scents, the Saint and Center. I love them. This was an awesome price. It was $19.99. And they say compared to $32, so that is also a steal in my opinion. And I snatched this one up as soon as I saw it too, and I was like frantically searching for the center one. I didn't find it, but I'm really happy with this one. I'm just like super surprised at all of the stuff TJMaxx had tonight, and I even had to put down a couple of things. And there was also the Anastasia Glow Kit. It was the Aurora Glow Kit, the one with like the purples and the blues. But for the most part, everything that I got was so affordable. Win for TJMaxx. I'm so happy, so happy. I just had to share with you guys what I bought today. And then I also picked up, this is not from TJMaxx, but I also picked up the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set Spray because I'm running low on my Urban Decay All-Nighter. So I thought I would try this. And then I just got a NYX lip pencil, and this one is in Nude Suede Shoe. That was all of my TJMaxx haul, which was the biggest. It's so good. Okay, on to our Sephora haul. Yeah, I got the big bag. I love when they stuff the bags. Okay, so first off, the only reason I even went into Sephora today was to get the Fenty Beauty foundation. So I got that. However, I left with more things than I was supposed to get. And I'm not upset about it because they had a sale. The first one that caught my eye was the Sephora Favorites Makeup Must-Haves, and it was the best-selling beauty essentials. This has got the full-size beauty blender. So to me, what I paid for it was worth it because it had the full-size beauty blender. Just that alone was worth the whole purchase here. But then it has the all-nighter setting spray, which I love. Tarte highlighter, and this is the Kat Von D Tattoo Line Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I've used it before. I love that primer. And then it's got a Stila liquid lipstick in a very pretty shade. And then it's got the Lancome Excessive Black Noir Mascara. So these are all, they are travel size, except the Beauty Blender, which is full size. So this was amazing. They normally have it, well, the gift set itself is $39. They say retail price for these products would be $119. I paid $27 for it. So the Beauty Blender itself, full size, is like $20 or something like that. So getting all these other products with it for $7 extra, in my opinion, was so worth it. And this was probably my favorite sale item that they had. And next, this caught my eye. I just got some Boscia products. Actually, I've got 2 of their products, a moisturizer and then a face wash, something like that. Detoxifying face wash. So I saw this gift set of Boscia products and was super interested. And these are all, I'm pretty sure they're all full size. Mostly this is full size, and this was valued at $41, regularly $71. I paid $38. So I saved $3 on it. I got all these products. I was very happy. I'm very excited to try them. So it comes with the detoxifying black cleanser, which I'm pretty sure that's what I have. Then it comes with the white charcoal mattifying makeup setting spray. I've never really seen anything like it, so I'm kind of excited. And then the luminizing black mask, which is this one right here. The revitalizing black gel hydrating gel, which is also what I have, but in like tiny miniature travel sizes. Got them in like beauty subscriptions, things like that. But this deal, I really thought I needed it, and I didn't want to pass it up. So overall, tonight was a huge makeup haul for me. I don't usually buy that much makeup all at once unless I'm on vacation and I bring extra money. For some reason, I just feel like I can justify buying a crap ton of makeup when I'm on vacation versus when I'm just like at home every day or, you know, whatever. But tonight I feel like was super successful. I saved a lot of money. I was doing all the counting whenever I was checking out, or before I checked out, and I saved a lot of money on these awesome products. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, and hopefully you all see this in time. Hopefully you all can run to your local Sephora's or TJMaxx's and they'll have some awesome finds just like I had tonight. Happy Friday night, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed yourselves. I've enjoyed myself talking to you all. So until next time, I'll see you guys.